Today we're making cannelloni.
I'm going to stuff these cylinder pasta tubes with mushrooms, spinach and ricotta and then smother it in my homemade pasta sauce.
It tastes so much better when you make your own pasta sauce. So we're going to start off with the marinara sauce.
First, heat up some extra virgin olive oil in a saucepan. Mince 1 clove of garlic and chuck it into the oil.
Add in 2 tins of good quality chopped tomatoes.
Generously season with salt and pepper and give that a stir.
I'm going to add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard to make it lip smacking.
Splash in some maple syrup or honey or sugar to enhance the sweetness of the tomatoes. Finally, sprinkle with some dried basil, rosemary and oregano. Now leave that on a low heat for 30 minutes to reduce and thicken. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Bangin recipes.
Whilst the marinara is on simmer, we're going to get started with the cannelloni filling.
Smash 2 cloves of garlic and fry in some olive oil.
In the hot oil and garlic, we're going to throw in 250 grams of chopped mushrooms.
Make sure you season well with salt and pepper.
Now I'm going to put in 250 grams of baby spinach.
Mix that up whilst the spinach starts to wilt.
Now 250 grams of good quality ricotta cheese.
Stir the mixture well and turn off the heat.
Now that the cannelloni filling is done, I'm going to put it in this bowl to cool down. My marinara sauce has been on simmer for a while and now it's beautifully thick.
Add a layer of the pasta sauce to the bottom of a wide baking dish. Now it's time to get messy. Stuff the cannelloni shells with the cooled filling. I like to stand the shells up in a mug and use a spoon and my finger to push the mixture through. Then place each filled shell onto the bed of marinara sauce and smother the whole thing in more pasta sauce. Finally, top it off with some freshly grated parmesan.
This is going to go into the oven for about half an hour at 180 degrees Celsius.
After 30 minutes, the pasta is fully cooked through and the cheese is broiled and bubbly. And that's my Bangin cannelloni.